If you've got pineapple peels, you need to stop throwing them away. You're pouring nutrients down the drain. These peels make a strong, natural tea your body will love. It's refreshing, budget-friendly, and packed with nutrients like antioxidants and enzymes that support digestion and overall health. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Dobby's Signature. In this video, I'll be showing you what to do with your pineapple peels to get that extra benefit and avoid waste. Now for the full list of ingredients and the recipe, do check the description below. Let's get right into it. The first step is to cut your pineapple and wash the pineapple peels well. Add them to a pot and pour in water. You can add cloves or ginger for extra flavor and extra benefits. Sweeten with sugar or honey. Leave to boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Strain it and your pineapple peel tea is ready. You can drink this hot or cold, both work perfectly. Here's why you need this tea. 1. It aids digestion. Pineapple peels contain bromelain, which helps break down food and reduce bloating. 2. It boosts immunity, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help your body fight infections. 3. It supports weight management. This is because it is low in calories and helps improve digestion and metabolism. 4. It reduces inflammation. The bromelain in pineapple may help relieve joint pain and muscle soreness. 5. It improves gut health. This is because it supports healthy bowel movement and reduces constipation. 6. It helps in detoxification by helping the body flush out toxins naturally. 7. It supports heart health. Its antioxidant content helps protect the heart and improve circulation. 8. Promotes healthy skin. It does this by fighting free radicals that cause dull skin and premature aging. 9. It hydrates the body. It's a refreshing way to stay hydrated, especially in hot weather. 10. It has zero waste benefit by turning kitchen waste into something healthy and useful. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future posts. Till next time.